My name is Alexei Zgardan. I'm from Republic of Moldova. I represent a group of retail chains, and I'm representing the FIDESCO company, which is a proximity format. It was great because you have the time to know the people, to discuss about what they have and what they can give it to you, and you can touch the products and see or ask questions which is you need to know more information. I think there is a big difference because on exhibition usually nobody has time for you, yeah? You just walk, see, and if you have some question, you have to ask, to wait and look for somebody who have time to answer the questions. Here you have a schedule and you know the suppliers before the meeting. You can look the information, you can see their catalog, where they are from, and more information before the meeting so you can prepare these meetings. Wabel, it is, so one word, progressive company.